Alright, so I'm gonna go over two of my old PowerPoint games. First, I tried making a tower defense game literally in PowerPoint. So I'm using the same version of PowerPoint I did as in that One Toasted Friends episode, like episode 10. So you expect to see some I'm pretty sure this is not how it's supposed to originally output, but I guess it's because of the version I'm using. It's like this, but anyways. So if I click tap to play, because this originally was made on like Keynote, then for some the text was kind of slightly off when I tested this before I started this video. Then it says you just you can just read this by yourself. I'm not gonna bother to read this because I'm too lazy to read things. Yeah, it's just basically a little guide to this little PowerPoint game. So of course I really did not do much to this. I mean, I don't even remember the last time I actually did a little update to it. It was probably years ago, or maybe like a year ago. I don't even remember. I was just looking for stuff. All right, I can't find anything. I'm just trying to look for something to get me warmed up. Anyways, oh, the text is really off this time. Yeah, okay, we're gonna skip it. You maybe don't want to read all this. Then it just says, here's the key for your first teddy. Now, of course, I couldn't make it where it's like you pick and select. I would take too much effort in length. So instead, I just made it where you just click the start round button. Originally, it's like, it doesn't go off the flag right here. You can obviously see some of the assets are from like, Keynote. They're just I just exported it to a PowerPoint presentation so I can actually playing the PowerPoint presentation because I don't have a Mac OS or don't have an Apple device to use this on. Now, for reason originally there were I don't know why, but for some reason the animations play a little too early than they originally were supposed to. Like in the original key Apple Apple Keynote presentation, originally this would do its little slam thing once the little creature got next to it. So expect to see some things that aren't correctly playing here, just like the little like the animations of when they originally supposed to. Ambush incoming. That's not the original transition. Same with that. It's because they are not supported on Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. Goodbye, duck. Then it just slowly zooms in with the discovery book, and this is how you get out of the tutorial. Well, originally there's gonna be a tutorial, so I guess first let's go through all the stuff here. Like, what's our teddies? And then the Teddy Swordsman, a brave little warrior that likes to hit enemies with swords that cuts enemies. And then it just basically gives you little details on what they do down here. And then this is like the description and then the name. Picture just gives you a quick little picture of it. And then the action. Next we have Teddy Bear Cannon. Oh, the text is going off screen. Alright, then picture. Tries to blend in with the background. I don't know why I made it like that. That's not how it originally is. I wish I could show you how the original PowerPoint presentation is supposed to be like, but I don't have the thing anymore, so I have to use this. It just goes by pretty quickly. Picture. Action. Okay. Oh. Did I forget to? Well, at some point, did I forget to? You're supposed to be able to click on this. I can't. Okay, let's build the enemies then. So, of course, the bug, as we saw from that tutorial stage, do nothing. Planet bug, I don't even know. I couldn't really think of the names during when I first made this. Viking duck, obviously. Rebel soldier. It's supposed to look like a rebel infantry from Metal Slug. And the Christmas horse rider. That's just a thing I never released for anything. It's just there, only here, in this enemy collection. Then next we got the submarine. Then the raptor. Then the ice submarine. Then the ice bug. And then the elemental submarine. You can pause the video and read those descriptions and look at the information. But this isn't the video for that. We're just not going that. I don't want to make this video too long. No, I'm not sure. I'll probably just keep this video without the intro anymore. Maybe. But anyways, now we're on various stuff. So, of course, ambush incoming message. This means the ambush is coming to raid you. Richie, I'm not sure even how it would have been possible to make a tower defense game through a PowerPoint presentation. Like, also, quick little mention, this is not relevant, but speaking tower defense, so you may remember that video where I showed a little sneak peek of a supposed tower defense game I was working on. Well, I did some changes to that. Eventually you'll get to see it. Maybe sometime when I finally do a video, maybe this weekend, because I get a little weekend break as of right now. But anyways, so next, Teacher Teddy. Basically the one that you saw from that little... I basically just call this the Guy Teddy, not Teacher Teddy. Then the Teddy blocker. And there's nothing else. Now to view everything else. So, here's the little main place. So we got maps. The only thing that I made work right now is Ice Disaster. So just click start. And it'll just do this. And it was a start. It's basically just keep going and clicking. The animations aren't playing properly, probably because of the PowerPoint version I'm using. This brick wall. It just went by. You lost lives. Ambush incoming. They make it. And then ice boss incoming. The ice submarine has arrived. Then it like slowly just tries to make it. Goodbye. Wanna buy an icicle for 1,000 cash? No. Then you get a teddy bear. If you press yes, you get an icicle. Okay, tutorial, you already seen this. Warning, this will reset your progress. Are you sure? Type here for... And then, this part, I had an idea years ago when I first made this. To make the little upgrade thing based on Metal Slug attack, based on the look. Like, you can see all this. Like, example, you can click on the egg, which is limited time, which it pretended to be. See? Then, like, release, you got the little similar thing to Metal Slug attack with this stuff. Now, for instance, I made where if you upgrade it, it just goes to here. So, I think that's gonna have to deal with that one. This isn't the end of the video. We're going to the next PowerPoint presentation. I'm just hiding my screen just so I can get to the next one without, But anyways, okay, here's the next one. So this one is called Banana Game. I don't necessarily actually remember when I made this one. I'm pretty sure it was like in 2020 or 2019. But anyways, so Banana Game. It's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple premises where you just basically just click on the banana and just move it along until you get to the end. Like 1, 2, warning, water can make you lose. And then 3, 4, 5. If you click on the banana in the water, it's a lose. And then you can restart. And just get through this. Okay, and then if you click off the dangerous thing and just click on the next path, you go. Then, first I made where you have to go to the shop. Then you just go. There's like no currency or anything that defies it. Spike. Ah. Oh, I have to restart. God dang it. Okay. Okay, we made it back. Now, what I did, I made a little trick here. So, if you click tap here to go to shop, it will reject the game over. Where you have to restart everything. But if you click this, it will just be brought to the monkey image that I took at some point. Then, this is some other thing. And then, basically just find the secret stars stuff. They click on the transform. Now get a prize. This one, I'm not really sure this was supposed to... I'm not sure what I originally thought about for the making of this, originally. Like this toast, these two these images of two toasts was made through IBS Paint X or IBIS Paint X. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but it's mostly just old projects. So I'm not sure really if I should keep continuing or not. Okay, maybe this is where we're calling for now. Okay, so that was me interviewing some of my old PowerPoint presentation games. So if you want to see more, just let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.